Yeah, so I got another signal, guys, to share it with you. As you can see here, I guess that it's clear for you. For those who know my strategy, guys, it's clear for you that here, uh, of course, this one is going up. This one is 100% going up. And if you don't know my strategy, guys, I have a course in the description below where I will share with you everything I'm using on my trading, the indicators, the way I use the indicators, the money management method, the chart patterns. Everything I learned over the years is explained in a course in the description below. So if you are interested, you can take a look at the course. And if you are not interested in my course, that's okay. My advice to you is to master as much as you can of those indicators available for free. Yeah, let's take the first win. Great, the first win, $255. So as I was saying, there's plenty of good stuff out there on the market. Free books. So this one is going up. So I'm investing $300. If my prediction is right, I'm making 255. So there's plenty of good free stuff out there, free tutorials on YouTube, a lot of people teaching different strategies, books teaching you also different strategies, different indicators available, scripts on tradingview.com. There's for example, here I'm trading on iqoption. I don't advise you to use iqoption, by the way. iqoption will give you a hard time to let you withdraw all your money, so you better look for a better choice. There's other choices, better choices out there. I advise you to look for a better one. And yeah, so let's take this win. Yeah, as expected, $255. $255. Great. Let's open a long position here. Also, this one is also going up. So, yep. Yeah. Yeah, this one is also going up. This one is also going up. So look. Yeah, this one is also going up. If you are interested, guys, in learning my strategy, as I was saying, I invite you to go to the course in the description below. Yeah, $255. Let's open another trade. Wait a minute. I guess here that, yeah, let's put $400. Yeah, $400. So here is also going down. Yeah, yeah, we're seeing a downtrend here. So if you are interested in learning the strategy, guys, yep, $340. So that's 85% of my total investment. Yeah, down. Also is going down. So I'm investing $400, as you can see. And if my prediction is right, I'm making 85%. All right, 85% of $400 from $400. That's $340. So $340. So as you can see, till now, my prediction is right. Yeah, and the market is creating a red candle here in this minute. I'm trading Euro USD, of course, on iqoption. You can trade on pocket option, binary.com, codex. There is plenty of good platform that allow you to use demo account and at the same time use different free indicators. So here iqoption is one of my favorites, but I don't advise you to use it because it's not that easy to withdraw your money from iqoption. iqoption will really give you a hard time to let you withdraw what you have here. So it's going down. Hopefully it's going down. Let's try again. All right. And please never buy from those pretending to be me and trying to sell you signals or mentorship or something. Never buy mentorship and signals from anybody else. The only one that you need to trust to make or generate signals is yourself. Trust yourself. Yeah, let's continue. Let's open another trade and let me continue. I'll write this one. I was hoping that will open here, but that's okay. So the only one that you need to trust in order to open your trades is yourself. How you can trust yourself? Simply generate your own signals, learn good strategy, master different and as maximum indicators as you can. Try to master as maximum chart patterns available on the market as you can. Try to understand what's happening with the colors of the candles. Everything will help you generate your own signals, and you will never need anybody else to tell you what to do. There's plenty of good stuff out there. Let's take this one. Yeah. As I was saying, there's plenty of good stuff out there. There's there is free videos, free tutorials on YouTube, free books that will teach you technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and those will help you generate your own signals. So my advice to you, never trust anybody else but you. The only one that you need to trust is yourself, and that's it. Don't depend on anybody else. And the second advice is always use demo account. Always use demo account. Spend a lot of time, most of your time on demo account. Once you are comfortable with the strategy, once you master the strategy, then you can try another on real account. Great.